Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the 2025 Triumph TR6. This legendary British sports car, which has been reintroduced with modern updates, combines classic styling with performance, creating an exciting driving experience. Let's go over everything from the exterior design, interior features, performance, and even the price point. Buckle up as we take a closer look at this iconic machine. First off, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 TR6 stays true to its roots, retaining the unmistakable silhouette of its predecessors, with a few modern tweaks. The body is sleek, with curves that evoke a sense of both nostalgia and contemporary flair. The front end features an updated grille design, keeping the classic Triumph look but with more aggressive angles, giving it a sportier presence. The headlights are now full LED, sharper and brighter, and they add to the car's more modern feel while still maintaining that retro touch. The sides of the car boast clean lines, and it comes with new lightweight alloys, which enhance both the performance and aesthetic appeal. A striking feature is the rear of the car, where you'll find dual exhausts and a more pronounced rear bumper, which complements the car's performance-focused design. Now, let's move inside the TR6. Stepping into the cabin, you immediately notice the blend of luxury and functionality. Triumph has really nailed the retro-modern vibe here. The dashboard is classic, with circular dials for the speedometer and tachometer, but now they feature digital displays for added accuracy and clarity. The materials used throughout the interior are top-notch. You have leather-trimmed seats that are both comfortable and supportive, perfect for those long drives. The central console has been updated with a touchscreen infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, so you can easily integrate your smartphone for navigation and entertainment. One standout feature is the driver-focused cockpit design. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather, and the gear shifter is sleek, adding a bit of modern refinement without losing that old-school charm. The overall cabin is compact yet surprisingly spacious, giving you a great sense of driver engagement while also maintaining comfort for longer rides. Performance is where the 2025 TR6 truly excels. Under the hood, it houses a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, a significant upgrade from its earlier iterations. This engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, keeping that connection between the driver and the road alive. The TR6 produces around 250 horsepower and 300 lb-ft of torque, which is more than enough to make every drive thrilling. The power delivery is smooth, and acceleration is quick, making the car feel nimble around corners and powerful on the straights. The suspension has been tuned to offer excellent balance, allowing the car to stay composed in both city driving and more spirited driving on twisty roads. The braking system is sharp, with upgraded discs and performance tires that offer plenty of grip, giving you confidence at higher speeds. With its rear-wheel drive layout, the TR6 offers that pure, unadulterated driving experience that enthusiasts crave. As for the ride quality, the TR6 strikes a great balance between sportiness and comfort. While it's undoubtedly firm, it's never overly harsh, and it feels connected to the road without compromising on comfort for daily use. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking it on a weekend adventure, the TR6's performance and handling make it a joy to drive. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Triumph TR6 starts at around $45,000, which places it in the affordable luxury sports car segment. It's a reasonable price considering the performance and modern tech features you're getting, along with that undeniable classic appeal. The pricing puts it in competition with some of the more affordable sports cars out there, yet it offers something unique with its British heritage and stylish design. In conclusion, the 2025 Triumph TR6 is a fantastic blend of old and new. It retains the spirit of the original TR6 with its stylish exterior, iconic design elements, and pure driving experience, while incorporating modern features and performance enhancements that make it more competitive in today's market. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or someone looking for a fun, stylish, and affordable sports car, the TR6 is definitely worth considering. It's a car that captures the essence of British motoring in the best possible way, all while delivering on performance and comfort. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Triumph TR6. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the TR6. Would you take one home? Thanks for watching.